The mind and how the universe operates are two different places. And that's exciting because that means that there's so much to learn.
The more that you engage with this intelligence, with the universe, the more it's going to engage with you.
Allow the universe to do what it's looking to do through us.
Transformational Conscious Arts. The Holy Grail can be found, and it is through the mastery of the conscious arts. These are sacred and grounded spiritual practices that have been used and passed down throughout the centuries. The Holy Grail can be found, and it is through the mastery of the conscious arts. The use and mastery of divine alchemy, along with the 7 other arts, will allow it to reveal itself in you. Chink of reflected light by chink of light, on the flow through the river of life. It is the fountain of youth, and it resides in the area between our navel and sexual organs. It is the intelligence of the universe, and you are a co-creator with this most loving, powerful, and evolutionary force. Sacred and eternal, once you have found it, it will leave you wanting for nothing more. Its feeling, its deep connection, its burning satisfaction, fulfillment, and stream of knowledge that enlightens you and others. Many wise and spiritual souls entered this reality. They mastered the art of building a divine love affair by using the conscious arts, and so can we. The conscious arts brings us on a transformational and self-development journey. These spiritual disciplines help us to develop structure and grounded tools in relation to living life in the world, in connection with the intelligence of the universe. As we embark on this incredible adventure, we begin a process of purification on a deep core cellular level. We start to unravel and release our personal, ancestral, cultural history and conditioning, so that we can become clear channels of expression and love. Working with the conscious arts helps us to enter a whole new reality. We begin to move into a world of energy and expansion. As we do this, we start to realize that we are co-creators with this highly intelligent and creative force that is always moving us towards our greatest evolution and potential. The conscious arts are practical tools that in time become second nature as they become absorbed into your body and life. Living in alignment with the universe brings such incredible rewards of abundance, joy, self-love, passion, gratitude, love, and much, much more. However, we need to do our part and meet the universe halfway, and that is an art form that also takes practice, dedication, and commitment to master. We become the eternal student surfing the great wave of life. It is the most alive and out of control adventure. It brings us into our greatest expansion and potential once we learn to surrender and cooperate with it. The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.